In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find flight status in Scoot Flight. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to read the results so you can travel with confidence. First, open your web browser and head to the Scoot website at flyscoot.com. If a region or language prompt appears, just confirm your preference so the site displays correctly for you. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Flight Status option. This is usually visible in the main navigation or a quick access area on the page. When you see it, click Flight Status to open Scoot's live flight information portal. You'll land on a page that offers two ways to search, by route or by flight number. Let's start with the route option, which is typically selected by default. In the departure field, begin typing your city or airport and then select the correct match from the suggestions. Do the same in the arrival field. Take a moment to double check that you've chosen the right airports, especially if the city has multiple options. Next, pick your departure date using the calendar selector. If your flight is just before or after midnight, remember that the local date matters, so if you don't see your flight at first, the date could be off by a day. When everything looks good, click Search. Your results appear immediately. You'll see the flight number, scheduled and estimated times, and when available, terminal or gate information along with the current status, such as on time, delayed, or canceled. If more than one flight matches your criteria, scroll to find the one that matches your time. Status updates can change throughout the day, so refresh the page closer to departure for the latest information. If you prefer, you can search by flight number instead. Switch to the flight number tab on the same page, enter the Scoot flight number exactly as it appears on your booking, then select the correct departure date. Click Search to view the live status for that specific flight. This method is great when you already know the exact flight you're tracking and want the fastest results. That's it. Use the route option when you know the cities and the flight number option when you want a pinpoint search. Check again on the day of travel for the most accurate updates and consider bookmarking the page for quick access before you head to the airport. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.